Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a public account on Snapchat. First, ensure you meet the basic requirements for eligibility. You need to be at least 18 years old to create a public profile. Additionally, having at least one friend on the platform is essential. Make sure your privacy settings allow for a public presence before proceeding to the next steps. Once you meet the requirements, creating your public profile is straightforward. Tap your Bitmoji icon to go to your profile screen. Scroll down until you see the Public Profiles section, then select Create Public Profile. Follow the simple on-screen instructions to confirm your choice and begin setting up your new public presence on Snapchat. After creation, it's time to customize and manage your public profile. Add an engaging bio, a clear profile photo, and your location to help others discover you. Share your favorite snaps and stories directly to your public profile for a wider audience. Remember to regularly check and adjust your public profile settings to control who sees your content and how they interact. A public profile offers many advantages. You can reach a much broader audience, extending beyond just your friends, and showcase your unique creative content to the world. It's a fantastic way to build a community around your interests and gain more visibility on the platform. And hey, for easy meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals. Don't miss out on these opportunities to grow your presence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.